Hey, how's it going? I want to show you my latest setup I run right now for lawn care. It's just basic lawn care, mowing, edging, string trimming. I do hedges, you know, and cleanups also. But this is what I use right now. So here's my current setup right now. My trailer I bought used. I got a good deal with it. It's a 5x8 trailer. I added this to it. You know, it's for the so when I take my trailer off the hitch, you know, I could still roll the whole trailer, you know, with that wheel. All right, I used to park my trailer a lot on the driveway when I was done you know, mowing lawns, and it's just easy to move around. You know what I mean? If I want the trailer out the way, I could just like move it. You know what I mean? Like a couple of feet. Hey y'all, I just want y'all to pay attention to that right there. Cross your chains, okay? Cross your chains. All right. Okay, I got the Bobcat XRZ 42-inch. All right, this is my first zero turn. I used to run a Aaron's riding mower, but just trying to be more efficient, y'all. All right. So with the zero turn, I find myself mowing lawns, you know, at a faster rate. Okay, for a 42-inch, I got this much space right here on this side still, and that much space on this side. All right, so I still got some room. Okay. All right, for now, remember I showed you my other video when my first lawn care setup, I was using the trailer racks. Well, these are the trailer racks I'm using now. Okay. So these are from Trinity Image. It's a good piece of gear, y'all. These are like solid steel all around. All right, all around. Some of these racks you find, it's just the front that's steel, and the back it's opened up. But these are like solid. All right, they go all the way down to the bottom bolt and bolt right here. Okay, I've been using them for already 2 years. All right, they're great. Okay, you can lock it up. You can lock up. You can load 3. 1, 2, 3. I leave the top open. I got the edge right at the bottom, the string trimmer on top, and just to unsecure it, you just and all 3 at the same time. All right. I'm running for the string trimmer. I'm running the Stihl FS 91R. Okay, and for the edger, the Stihl FC 96. All right. So, hey y'all, this is the best. This is a good piece of gear right here. This grip, called the Darwin's grip. Saver back, y'all. So I'll keep you from hunching over while you're string trimming. You got that high grip, all right, while you're string trimming. I've noticed a difference, y'all. You know, like throughout the day when I'm string trimming, I notice my back isn't sore as much. All right, but the more you do it, the more your back will get used to it, though. But you still want to take care of your body, y'all. Okay. I got the Gorilla lift on here. It comes in a pair. It comes with a pair when you buy it. But I only have one. You know what I mean? For I only need is one for this gate, for this rep right here. Okay, one will do. All right, if you're running like a 6x12, the bigger ramp, you probably want to have 2 on there. But I've seen videos where people are just using one Gorilla lift, you know what I mean, instead of 2, and it's easy to lift up. All right, so that's what I'm running right here, y'all. Okay, for the blower, I bought this little blower rack from that company right there, Buyers Products Company. All right, I'm running the handheld blower from Stihl, the BG 86. All right, it's a good blower, y'all. The reason I'm running this right now, not my man pack blower, because I feel with one hand I could like easily like go underneath, like around bushes, and blow out leaves and grass, and underneath the cars and underneath the mower. I could like easily like just bring that mower down and just like blow, you know what I mean? You know, with blow the grass out of the mower. All right, so over here, y'all. Hey, look, y'all, safety, right? Okay, I bought extra little reflector stickers, you know what I mean, to put back at the trailer. All right, safety. Okay, here we go. I got the I got a fuel rack, all right, from that same company, Buyers Products Company. Hey, these are good racks, y'all. All right, it's all about being efficient, okay? Yeah, the stuff could be secure inside the truck, but you know, it's all about time, all right? If you feel like this is making you faster, go for it, okay? So it's easy. I just bungee cord. There's also a bar. There's some fuel jugs with a little what do you call it? They have the handle in the back, and this right here will lock it. Okay. Then you got the other lock right here. All right. Then you just lock it in. All right. So, and then there's like a little lock right there, like that. So that's what I'm running right now, y'all, for my lawn care. See that strap going across? Hey, y'all, strapper stuff, all right? Strap all your equipment to the trailer, okay? Strap it, all right? And for these racks, the blower rack and the fuel jug, okay, especially for the blower rack, all right? I'm doing a bungee cord. It keeps it in there when I'm driving, all right? But if you want to get a little cable and lock it up, by all means, that's a good idea. All right, lock it up. If I'm gonna find myself in the back, like out of sight of my mower, I'm gonna make sure all this is locked up. My blower's inside the back of the truck right here. All right, because I don't want that to get stolen. Okay. So this is my setup, y'all, right now. I also run a 52-inch mower in here. So I'm gonna go and put that in there for y'all, and I'm gonna show y'all in another video. Okay, because a 52-inch could fit back here. All right. Hey, I hope you found this video very informative. So this is my setup, what I'm running right now. You know, for lawn care is a 42-inch zero turn with my rack right there. I'm trying to be efficient, or efficiency, trying to be fast. We're trying to make everything accessible, real simple. Okay, I want to get to it fast. So now I have everything outside on the trailer. All right. Just remember, lock up the racks, okay, and your blower. All right, you could get like a little cable lock for it. All right, so yeah, other than that, I hope you like this video. God bless. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. There's more videos to come. I like doing these videos, helping people out. I learned a lot from YouTube when I started lawn care, so I just want to give it back. You know what I mean? I want to give back. You know what I mean? Like with the trial and errors I experienced, and stuff that I found that's easy for me now. So please subscribe, hit like. I'm sure you got something out of this. If you like it, please hit like. And God bless, and see you shortly on the next video. Bye-bye.